Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to make this laptop work faster. The first thing that you can do is change the power mode for your laptop. To do that, right click the battery icon on your status bar, go to power and sleep settings, then select the power mode and change it from balanced to best performance. You can do this for both plugged in and on battery options, but I recommend only changing this feature for your device when it's plugged in, because if you set the same setting for your device when it works in battery, it will discharge really quickly. Next thing that you can do is remove some startup applications that you don't need. To do that, you have to right click the taskbar and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, go to Startup Apps, sort them by status. Then you can remove the applications that you don't need from your startup apps by right-clicking one of these applications and selecting Disable. This way, this application will not start up when your device boots up, and it decreases the time of your device's startup, as well as improves your device's performance during usage. As you can see, for me, the list of enabled applications is pretty essential. All of these applications are required, but if you have some applications like game launchers or messengers that you don't need to start up when your device boots up, then of course turn them off. Next thing that you can do is keep your device up to date. To do that, click Start, then go to Settings, then select System, select Windows Update, and click Check for updates if you don't have any updates prepared yet. If you do, click Download and Install. Also, go to Advanced Options, Optional Updates, and if you do have any updates, hit the checkbox next to the essential ones and click Download and Install. Let's check if the Windows Update found any updates, and as you can see, the device is up to date. So we can also check for some specific updates for this laptop and increase this device's performance using HP Support Assistant and HP PC hardware checkup, if I'm not mistaken, applications. To install both of these applications, you have to open the web browser, go to your search engine and search for HP Support Assistant, find the official HP support.hp.com website, open it, then click Download HP Support Assistant 9, wait until the installation file is downloaded, and we can also search for HP PC Hardware Diagnostics application. Also open support.hp.com website to download it. Expand Diagnose PC Hardware Issues in Windows tab. Then click Download icon right here and wait until the second installation file downloads on your PC. I have both of these files in my Downloads folder, so let me show you how to install these applications. First, install the Support Assistant application. So click Yes, then Next, then accept the license agreement, then click Yes again. Then you can change the folder for your file by clicking Change and selecting the other folder in your File Explorer. Click OK, and then click Next, and wait until the program is downloaded. Then wait until the installation is complete. And once this program is installed, you can close this window and we can proceed by installing the second application. The process is the same, so open the installation file, accept and read and accept the license agreement, and click Next. Then you can also change the folder in the same way, click Next, and then wait until the application is installed. And when both applications are installed on your computer, you can run the HP Support Assistant application. In this application, give it all the permissions it requires from you, close the pop-up windows. For now, we can close this one. Then go to the third tab, which is Fixes and Diagnosis. And here, you can run hardware diagnostics for your PC by clicking Launch right here. This will start the PC hardware diagnostics application. Here you can run the system tests, which will run the test of your entire hardware list. You can choose between fast system disk system test and extensive system test. They are basically the same, but the second one is more profound, and it can and it takes a bit longer time. If you want to check some specific components, you can select components test and then select the hardware elements that you want to test. Hit the checkbox next to the test you want to perform and select Run Selected Test. This way you will know how healthy your device is. Now let's quit this application. And let's get back to HP Support Assistant. Here you can select Software and Drivers and check if your device has any updates to download and install. If it does, well, let's first check. Let's first wait until it checks for them. And if it does have any updates, you can hit this checkbox next to the ones that you need, then click Download and Install, confirm, and then wait until the updates are installed. Keeping your firmware in touch with your software improves your device's performance too. Once your device is updated, you can click OK, and sometimes you have to restart your PC after the updates are complete. Okay, let's get back to Fixes and Diagnostics tab, and here the other useful tab that you can check is Optimize your performance. Click Launch next to it, click Next. Then you can click Optimize and start optimization of your device. You can also hit the checkbox next to the additional options you want to perform during the optimizing. Click Optimize and wait until your device is fully optimized, and this will also heavily increase your device's performance. So let's wait until the optimization is complete. And once the optimization was performed, you'll be also able to check which operations weren't able to complete. But at this point, your device is optimized. And at this point, that's how you optimize your device's performance. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.